Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete archived mails on Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete archived mails on Gmail, first open up your Gmail app. And in order to proceed to delete your archived mails, guys, let's archive a mail over here and let's go to the section where the archived mails will be available. So for example, you can see guys, I had received the email from the Steven Cymatics for something. Now let's archive this mail. You can see guys, it has arrived on today at August 28th and at 1:24 a.m. So let's archive this mail. To do that, let's tap and hold on it, and when we tap and hold on it, a bunch of menus or icons appear at the top of the screen. Tap on the first button where it says archive. You can see guys, tap on it and that mail will be archived. Now to delete that archived mail, guys, tap on the three-lined icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and over here you can see we are on the currently primary mail section of our Gmail. So in order to view our archived mails, let's scroll down and you can find the all mail option available for us. Tap on the all mail over here just below the drafts, and over here guys, you can see there are a lot of mails over here today, but this one we had just archived from the primary email section of our Gmail. It had arrived on 1:24 a.m. today, guys. You can see. Now in order to delete that archived mail, tap and hold on it, and the delete button will be available for you on the all mail section at the top of the screen over here. The moment you tap and hold on it, let's do that again and tap on the delete button over here, and that mail will be deleted on your Gmail. So with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to delete archived mails on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.